Imagine making money while you're sleeping, traveling, or just relaxing at home. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the power of passive income. And today I'm going to show you what it is and how you can start building it. What is passive income? Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it all the time. Unlike a 9-to-5 job, where you trade time for money, passive income works for you, even when you're offline. Why it matters? It's the foundation of wealth. The rich don't work more. They earn smarter. If you want financial freedom, passive income is the key. 5 common passive income sources. 1. Dividend stocks. Buy shares from companies that pay you regularly just for owning them. It's like getting paid for holding money. 2. Real estate rentals. Invest in property and collect rent every month. A classic passive income stream. 3. Digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates. Create once, sell forever. Perfect for creators. 4. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. No product needed. 5. YouTube or blogging. Add revenue. Make content that gets views over time and earn money from ads, even years later. Bonus tip. Passive income isn't always 100% passive at first. It takes effort up front. But once it's running, it scales and frees your time. Conclusion. Building passive income won't happen overnight, but it will change your life over time. Start small, be consistent, and remember, money that works for you buys back your freedom. What's your favorite way to earn passive income? Or the one you want to start with? Drop your thoughts in the comments.